Good morning, friends. Today we have construct a tangent to a circle at a point on a circle by using the center of the circle. Example is given that construct a tangent to a circle with a center P and radius 3.2 centimeter at any point M on it. Okay. In this case, we have to considering a center. Suppose now P is nothing but the center of the circle. By taking compass and take a distance 3.2 centimeter in a compass. Okay, by taking 3.2 centimeter distance in compass pointed on AM and draw the circle. Okay, we can draw the circle. Now take any one of the points. Suppose point M is any one of the point on a circle M. Sorry, circle. Then P and M will be joined by using scale and extend that segment as a ray. Now we can draw a tangent that passes through a point P. Therefore, pointed on a M and draw an arc inside and outside the circle. Okay. M pointed out केल्यानंतर inner side circleच्या and outer side दोन arc draw करायचे. We are getting two intersecting point. Now consider a first intersection point and take a more than half distance and draw the arc above and below side. Okay, and next considering a second point, draw the arc that must be intersection to a given first arc. Two intersection point and M point must be lie on a one line, and that line is nothing but the tangent of the circle. Now in this case we can using a center of the circle. Now second point is that construction of a tangent to a circle at a point on the circle without using the center of the circle. Draw a circle of radius 3.6 centimeter. Draw a tangent to the circle at any point on it without using the center. Okay. Now considering a 3.6 centimeter distance in compass. Okay. Now we have to considering 3.6 centimeter distance in compass pointed and draw the circle. Okay, but in this case we cannot point it on a center. Now consider any one of the point. Suppose one point, that is the M, that is on the circle. Now how will we draw a tangent that passes through point M but not using the center of the circle? Then the process is that, now considering any 2 points, suppose L and N are the 2 points, join LM, join NM, and join LN. Okay. In this case we have using a inscribed angle theorem as well as tangent secant theorem. Now if we have to considering an arc that is LM, this is a arc that can be intercepted by an angle LNM. Therefore this arc intersecting by a tangent must be intercepted this LM line. Therefore we can considering, or the angle at N and angle at a point M must be same. Now taking some distance and draw the arc. Okay, taking same distance and pointed on M and draw the arc. Now considering a two intersection point. Okay, considering first intersection point and draw the arc such way that intersect a given arc. That intersection point and M point will be joined by using a scale. Okay, and that is nothing but the tangent of the circle at a point M without using center of the circle. And last point in this chapter is that construction of a tangent to a circle from a point outside the circle. Now example is that draw a circle of radius 3.4 centimeter and center E. Take a point F on a circle. Take another point A such a way that EFA and FA is nothing but the 4.1 centimeter. Draw the tangent to the circle from a point A. Now here we have to considering a center that is nothing but the E. Suppose we have to considering a point E here. Okay, taking a distance that is a 3.4 centimeter. Now taking distance 3.4 centimeter in compass, draw the circle pointed on E and draw the circle. Okay, next point is that take a F point on a circle. Now this is nothing but the point F, and we can draw a ray that passes through EF. Okay, next point is that such a way that EFA is nothing but the FA is 4.1. Take a 4.1 distance in a compass. Okay, by taking 4.1 centimeter distance in compass pointed on a F, and we getting a point A. Okay, that is nothing but the 4.1 centimeter distance, and radius is a 3.4 cm. Okay, now in this case we have to considering a segment EA. We have to first draw a perpendicular bisector of a segment EA, therefore pointed on E, and take a more than half distance and draw the arc above and below the side. Take same distance pointed on A and draw the arc. Two intersection point will be connected or will be joined by using scale. This line is nothing but the perpendicular bisector of segment EA. We are getting a point. Okay, that point, suppose we have to considering a point G. Point G is nothing but the perpendicular bisector point of a line segment EA pointed on a G, and take a distance up to E. Draw the arc that intersect a given circle above and below. That two points join with a point A, and that is nothing but the first tangent, and that is nothing but the second tangent of the circle. Suppose AB and AC are nothing but the tangent of the circle. Okay friends, thank you.